Your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
All right, so we are right here, of course. See how these clouds go way up into Alaska? We also have clouds that go way up into Greenland. Anytime you have a big ridge developing here and a big ridge here, that's what these are, you get cold air to dump southward. But here's the thing. All the data says we should get very cold and stay cold for a while, near record cold. But we're only going to get cold briefly because as the cold tries to move southward, there's a big ridge down here. See how the clouds are kind of moving in this direction down here too over very warm ocean water, and it will help to kind of prevent the cold from really going all the way to the Gulf Coast and keeping us cold for a longer period of time. And then we've got this. This is going to be a major hurricane. This is Rosa, which will actually make landfall Baja California and race into New Mexico. And as that happens, that'll force the colder air, the front back north too, and bring warmth. So even though the pattern says cold, cold, cold for a while, we're only going to get cold briefly, and then we're going to heat back up again by next week. After that, we'll get a little cooler again. But nonetheless, some chilly mornings as some cold comes southward. Then we got that burst of warmth next week, and then, of course, the Pacific hurricane. The remnants come through with rain and some storms by late next week. Tomorrow morning, there may be some patchy fog in our southern and southeastern counties. Northward, there will not be, but if you're down in this area, Montgomery, Fountain, down towards Clinton and Howard counties, watch for some patchy fog around, and it's going to be chilly. Coldest readings in our southern and southeastern counties in the low 40s, more like upper 40s as you go northward. So it's still a grande kind of morning for coffee or a pumpkin spice latte. Now patchy fog in the south and southeast with a 45 early, and then just kind of a partly cloudy afternoon. Temps will be in the upper 60s. It'll get a little breezy, and then we start to cool off in the evening. Our high is going to be early to mid-afternoon, and then we drop, and it will be a chilly Friday night frenzy. We're going to drop into the mid-50s quickly as game time begins, upper 40s by the end, headed for upper 30s to mid-40s for lows by early Saturday morning with a patch or two of frost in our western counties. But still, it's fine to mow Friday. It is fine to mow for the upcoming weekend. And the only weather disruption we're going to have is perhaps a couple showers and storms Sunday morning and maybe a couple isolated showers and storms on Monday. And after a 63 on Saturday with partly cloudy skies, we heat up beyond that point. Here's Precision Cast. The front goes through tomorrow afternoon. Right there it is. We cool off behind it. We clear out tomorrow night. We're partly cloudy on Saturday, but then the front goes back north, and then we heat up, and then we catch the remnants of that major hurricane right there. That'll ride up into our area and bring showers and storms later on next week. So 7-day forecast, normal high is 73, 63 on Saturday, but we're back to 80 on Sunday and low to mid 80s Monday through Wednesday.
Okay, Chad, thank you. Sounds good, of course. Today, the